Hot, that's for sure. Ooh. Holy snapping turkey. Cool down just a little.
Maybe open them all up.
Oh man. Hot. Tasty
Yeah?
though.
Yeah, good.
Very tasty. Very hot.
Awesome. Nice and white. This fire's still going. Awesome. Next we'll bring a little bit of all dressed chips next time, maybe.
Maybe, yeah.
And still to come the burgers. We deserve this lunch. What a day. Nice and good. Even resting, the internal temperature will still go up, so that's great.
Yeah, they're hot as fuck, dude. They're not cold. Yeah, they're still nice and hot.
Yeah. So even 3-4 degrees is great. Awesome. We're starting to burn it out here a little bit.
We got a fire going. Got a hot chicken. Chicken that's cooked, that's good.
You know I like my things hot inside, buddy, so I'm not gonna, you know. Yeah. Good, eh?
Good, man. Fire. Here's my beer.
Awesome. We're just playing with the menu. Playing with the menu.
Well, that's it, right? Experimenting with all the different foods.
Yeah. Awesome.
A big puddle of seasoned, flavored butter. Hot
Puddle
sauce.
of awesomeness.
Yeah, it is. What was that commercial? The cornucopias of awesomeness.
Yeah.
Or something.
Excuse the hands, I know it looks bad, but when the bone retracts, that means it's great too. So. We'll be back.
With the oceanfront grand prize cottage, just minutes from the village of Chester.